Hello, modding community, or should I say the consumers of mods for Assetto Corsa and BeamNG. Obviously, we are the gamers that appreciate all these custom cars. We look for the free ones. If the models are really good or the maps are really good, we sign up for Patreon. So what I want to do is, first of all, give you money for signing up to my website. Basically, I'm making a website where the value will come from the user data that's put in, wish lists. And in order to kind of prime the pump and jumpstart it, I'm going to pay the first 200 or so users according to this ranking here. And basically, you'll get paid more if you join up sooner. There's only 3 users currently, but I'm really confident that this website will really put the power of potential consumers, the information that they're purchasing wishes, communicated out there and aggregated in a way so that other developers will see exactly what is wanted in the market. So first of all, in order to make your money, all you need to do is sign up to my website, create 2 wishlist items, and then direct message the Wish Insight groups either on Facebook or LinkedIn to claim your prize. And then I'll be able to pay the prize money via PayPal or Venmo. And so it's a pretty cheap cost per user acquisition for me, and you could get up to $10. I mean, there's only 3 users right now. So let me show you how it works on the website. So here's my website. This is my development environment, but it's already deployed to production, so it works just as well. So what you'll need to do is you click Get Started to sign in or register. Go ahead and create a new username and then put your email. The email sends notifications for matches, essentially. And then make up a password. There's no 2-factor authentication or anything crazy yet. This is just my minimum viable product. And so what this does is it takes the wish list data and aggregates it to this dashboard. So as you can see, this is a website for any wishes and very broad, but it will work perfectly for people that want to pay for a particular mod but can't find the right modder, or tries to go to forums and can't find exactly what you're looking for. So like in this case, the more users do it, the better it works. So so what you have to do to get the money is you have to put 2 wishlist items here. So you go to your profile and then add a wishlist item. So in this case, you might want, let's see, there's some really cool concept cars out there. So let's do I think I saw it was designed by Bertoni and the guy who made the Countach. It's a Lancia Stratos Zero. Let's see, Stratos Zero. Super cool car. You should look it up. Very angular. And you could say for which games you want. For Assetto Corsa. And then, that would be in technology and electronics or entertainment and media. Really, the reason why you're choosing a category is so that people who are have skills in that industry can pick a category and see what the demand is. So it's definitely a niche request. If you really want that car, which I think already exists, but it's just kind of a low poly model. So you can put your price point. Be like, I paid $5 for that. And it's one time. No worries. So you add your item here. And now let's say you're more a BeamNG guy and you want, a map. Like I really want, Highway 280. Highway 280. For BeamNG. Highway 280 map. There we go. I'd pay a lot of money for that. So this is really good for something you pay a lot of money for, but just you can't find the provider. They don't exist. that's what niche means. If you want to bargain one, this one's good for things that already exist. Let's say there's a Patreon that has all the cars you already want already. It's like $20 a month or something like that. And you just want to you'd be willing to pay $10, but $20 just goes right over the line. Well, this is where you can set your price point. So, I'm willing to pay, $10 a month, for whatever. In this case, since the item is one thing, you're probably not going to pay it recurringly. So you choose one time, but this is really good if you want to join a subscription or something. But for mods, maybe you have a predefined list, or maybe you want access to like continual development work. So this is what it would look like if you made 2 wishlist items. And so what this does is it populates the dashboard. And so they can sort like this. They can filter here. So they can search for, let's do categories, technology and electronics. As you can see, one of the test users, already put classic Need for Speed, modern OS patch, how much they could make per month depending on, the frequency. So if it's a one-time frequency, it goes 12 months. So for that year. But some people are more interested in the average price per user, and some are more interested in monthly recurring. And the way they'll be able to find you, these providers, is they'll click on this. They'll see, oh, here's the user that wants Highway 28, Highway 280, and I can directly message them. So it's like ad preferences on steroids. So you only are going to get messaged with what exactly you want to see. And, for the providers to not waste their time, their user ratings, they can filter by user rating here. They can filter by location. So this website's made for literally anything you want. So if it's a service like lawn mowing or something, you would want to filter by location so that you don't have to drive 100 miles. You see for your area how much money there is to make for a particular good or service. So yeah, please, I'm happy to pay you. Make those wish list items. I want to demonstrate this as proof of concept. And, I used AI to help me build this website, and it'd be pretty cool if it took off. I think that it's one of those things that it will grow in value with scale, and it will grow in value with the number of users inputting their wishes. So if I could just prime that pump and get it going, it could really take off. So, appreciate you listening, and let's see if you can earn some money. Thanks.